Hello, Zekun. It was an honor for me to be recognized by you in the Rotary Star Student and the Rotary Teacher Award. Thank you so very much for your kind words. Mr. and Mrs. Lee, you have much to be proud of in your son. He reflects highly on what a wonderful job you two have done as parents. He is intelligent, congenial, and a very kind young man. I recall specifically how open he was to assisting his fellow students in AP Computer Science with their Java programming. Zekun, I think it is noteworthy that you were accepted into the Governor's Honors Program, and this Rotary recognition, along with all of the other accolades that you've received, is just one other indication of your potential as a student moving forward. I wish you the very best in all of your endeavors. And now that you have selected Georgia Tech as your college of choice, I am sure that you will excel and have a wonderful college experience there. With warm regards, I just want to say, to all the dreams that boil inside of you, grant them reality, for only within you was the power to create them. Congratulations, Zekun.